Hello children. Okay, we'll begin with your next topic, that is healthy eating habit. Okay, see, all the living things must need food. Is it right? Must need food. Without the food, whether the living thing can be alive or not? No. Food is required. So what did the food give us? The question is what the food give us. See here, now we have a car. Okay, in the car there is no petrol. How it will move? Whether it can be moved? No. To move a car from one location to the another location, what is required? Fuel is required. Means petrol is the fuel for the car. Okay. Similarly, for the human being, see here, a very weak person is there now. He has not eaten anything for the few days. He'll become? He'll become very weak. Is it right? So you only, whether if you eat some energy food, then you will be active. Is it right? Similarly, if the weak, how he can't be moved anywhere. If he doesn't eat anything, he'll not able to move from one place to another place. Okay. Similarly, how for the car, fuel is there, for the human being also, food is the fuel for our body. Okay. So now, what does the food give us? What the food gives us? It will give the energy. Correct? It will give the energy to work. Okay? It will give the energy to work. Whatever I want to do some work. If energy is not there, how I am able to do any work? No. So food will give us the energy. So it helps us to body warm. Growth. Okay? If we late, then we will growth. Otherwise will be short only. Our height will be short, or all the activity, whatever we'll do, food is must. If I lead healthy food, then I'll be healthy. To become a healthy person, what healthy food we have to eat. So now there are the kinds of foods are there. Okay, there are types of food. Some people, they will eat like pizza, burger, any junk food they will. The nutrition that they are inside that, compared to other, that is little bit less it is. See here, there is a Shalini over here. Shalini and Meena. Shalini, what she will eat? Shalini and Meena eat for their breakfast different. Totally it is different. So it is different from like she will eat all the food items shown in the above contains some useful. Okay. Nutrition substances which food are called nutrients. Okay. These nutrition keep our body healthy. Okay. And also it will help for to growth. So the foods like rice or potato, these contain the starch. Foods like the chapati or potato or rice, they are having the starch contents inside that. All the food items which contains the starch or a sugar are called carbohydrate. They are called carbohydrate. The food which they are having the starch or a sugar, okay, they are called it as carbohydrate foods. So carbohydrate, what it will give us? It will provide the energy to our body. Carbohydrate food, they will give the energy to our body. These are also called as energy giving foods. These are also called as energy giving food. I'll repeat once again. See here, foods like the rice, potato, they are called as starch foods. Starch foods or sugar, they are having the carbohydrate foods. They are having the carbohydrate food. The carbohydrate food, what they will give? They will give the energy to our body. So now these are also called as energy giving food. If it is giving the energy, then it is called as energy giving food. So now the foods like which are contains the protein. Now some foods contain starch, they will give us the carbohydrate will give us the energy to our body. So some foods are there, they will give us the protein. Now for our body, protein also required, everything it is required. Okay, now some food will give the protein. Now protein help us to grow, protein give us to grow our body. These also help to repair our body from some worn out tissues are there in our body. Okay, so growing children and the people recovering from the illness, they must require the protein, in which all the food contains the protein. Now like a rajma, egg, fish, milk, they are having, see here, which all are they are having the protein. Now rajma, fish, milk and egg, these are having the protein contents inside that. Protein are called body building foods. First, what I have told you, carbohydrate will provide us the energy, so they are called as energy giving foods. Okay, first one is energy giving food are carbohydrate food. Now the protein are called body building foods. Milk contains, okay, the milk contains very large amount of proteins. Which is having the very much large amount of protein? Milk is having the very large amount of protein inside that. And the and mineral called calcium. In the milk, calcium content is there. Calcium makes our bones and teeth. The body is consist of bones, and okay, for that calcium is required. Okay, for that calcium makes our bones and teeth very strong. Okay, growing children means children, if you want to grow very healthy, okay, very, so what you have to do is daily you have to drink the water. You have to drink water, is it correct? But also milk you have to drink. Okay, milk, if you will drink daily, if you will drink milk, then body will grow very perfectly. So now some foods are containing the fats. Now some food contains the carbohydrate, they are called as energy giving food. Some are containing the protein. Proteins are called body building foods. Next one will come now, fats. The fat gives us our body and keep it warm. Fat will give us the body to keep like a warm. So people living in the cold countries, need more fat and rich foods than living in the warmer nations. Okay, so which are having the fat content, like a butter, okay, oil, okay, they are having the fat content inside that. Ghee, even in a ghee also it's having very fat content inside it. So some food they are having the vitamin and minerals. Some food contains they are having vitamins and minerals. These are called, what they are called? Protective foods. These are called protective foods, which they are having vitamins and minerals. They are called protective food, like sports, egg, and banana, fruits. They are having the vitamins and minerals. So they are help us to fight with diseases and stay our body healthy. Okay, these vitamins and minerals, like a protective foods, they are help us to stay healthy. Now, water is a very one more another essential part of our diet. Okay, in our body, even in a brain, okay, our brain is of 70% of water. Okay, in our brain consists of 70% of water. So you have to already discover that second and third chapter in our body. Okay, in the last previous chapter I have told you, know, water is very much important in our body. So now our diet should have all the nutrients, okay, all the proteins in a very much, how much ever we will eat, that much we have to drink the water. It should be a balanced, okay, then only our body will be fit. So what we call it as? We call it as diet, balanced diet. What happens when you diet? It will not be balanced down. See here, if you he is a Nitin, he loves to eat some pizza, burger, chocolates, soft drinks. What will happen now? He will look like this. So now Aryan, he will eat chapati, okay, idli, sports, pulses, milk, fruit juice, banana, salad, egg. He'll have everything now. Means he consists of all the protein, nutrition, okay, minerals, everything he is have. He is very fit compared to him. Those who will eat pizza, burger, chocolates, he'll become like this. So your food should be balanced way. Yes. Now it is not enough to have a balanced diet also. Okay. We must also be sure that the food that we eat, that much we have to drink water. So what we will drink the water, it should be germ-less. The food that is cooked in the clean kitchen. If the kitchen is dirty, okay, if the kitchen is dirty, then the food is not healthy. So our kitchen should be very neat and clean. Then only the food is very much healthy for our body. So a fly which sits on the, okay, fly will come and it will sit on our food now. Okay, few seconds can leave many germs on the food now. These germs can make you sick. These it will come, the food we will keep open it will fly and it will come and it sits on the food now. It will leave the germs on the food. We will eat that. What? We will become sick. So water which is not filtered and boiled, it have the germs. So before you drinking the water, you have to, one way is boil the water and drink it, or else you filter it. Nowadays AquaGuard is there, or filter is there. Filter it and drink the water. Safe handling of the food and water is necessary, very much necessary for our health. So here are the some, they have given some good habits for our health. Wash your hand properly before eating anything. Eat meals on time. Okay, don't miss the time. Morning breakfast you have to do early in the morning, drink milk, after that do breakfast, after lunch evening snacks you have to eat, after that again at the night you have to eat your dinner. Okay, drink plenty of water, but only boiled or filtered. Okay, do not eat a food from the roadside stalls or those having the hygienic inside that. Okay, hygienically prepared it. Okay, eat healthy food like a chapati, egg, which they are having protein, and next what all I have explained, you know, like those who have having carbohydrates, protective foods. Okay, eat whatever is served to you. Okay, eat whatever your mother, she will give you, eat that. Okay, that will be healthy for you. Don't say I don't like this, I don't like that. Okay, whatever your mother will give, eat that. Very happily you have to eat it. Trim your nails regularly. Dirt under the nails may contain the germs. When you eat, this will enter your body along with the food. Now your nails should be cleaned. If grow, then cut it with your nail cutter. Inside the germs will sit. You have that germ will become very sick for you. Okay, don't read a book or watch TV while eating. This is very much important. Okay, while eating, don't read a book, don't watch video, don't watch the TV, don't listen to music. Okay, just sit and calmly you eat your food. Okay, chew your food well. As I told you in the previous class, how our digestion system will work. Chew your food properly. Eat plenty of fruits and green vegetables. They are very good for our health. Avoid junk food. Now just now I have told you, avoid the junk food. Otherwise you will become like a Nitin. Now I told you. Okay. Do not fussy about food. Along with the proper diet, take a regular exercise. Exercise will help you diet the food. Okay, only healthy food eating is not good for our health. We have to do exercise. Okay. Avoid eating too many chocolates and toffees as they may lead you tooth diseases. If you eat chocolate, tooth will get hurted for you. So what you do, avoid eating chocolate or toffees. Rinse your mouth well after each meal. Rinse your mouth well after each meal. Rinse your mouth. What you have to do? Brush your teeth regularly early in the morning and before going to bed at the night. 2 times you have to take the brush. Okay. Do not waste the food now. This is very important. How much ever you want, that much you take it, you eat everything, finish it off. Do not waste the food now. Remember, there are thousands of people, okay, they are not having enough food to eat now. Okay, they are not having enough food to eat. So, don't waste the food now. How much ever you want, you take it, just have it and finish it off. Okay.